Good afternoon, everyone. So I would like to introduce you a group for representing our group. Its title is a fellow student a bullying. In this scenario, you witness how to defend, how to effect of the student in your classroom to bullying. In this scenario, to see at what you witness.
Hey Sam, you saw the meme I posted, right?
Yes,
Pretty funny,
ate.
huh?
Ate, yung name ko pala kasi hindi ko na-edit. Anyway, it's okay. So, what is this, what is that, meme? Is it, good or is it bad? Or is it, something positive? What is that? Can I see?
Come on, it was just a joke. Everyone's laughing. Don't take it so seriously.
Oh, I see. What did you do what did you do on my picture?
I didn't mean to hurt you. I just thought it was a silly meme.
Oh, come on, Cha. It's not a joke. You know, if you are in my situation, you look at that. So if I'm doing this for you, what did you do and what you are affected you do?
I didn't think of it like that. I just wanted some laughs.
Oh. Oh, come on, Cha. If you are in our classroom, and if a teacher to see that my picture to post it, you can create my picture without permission. So you think the teacher is it to good react or bad? I think the teacher will talk to you because you are creating a something, posting social media without permission, and you using my photos and pictures. So what you are pointing, what do you want to do to tell that social media? Are you going to destroying my life, destroying in my integrity or reputation?
You're right. I messed up. I'm really sorry, Jess. I'll take it down right now.
So next time, Cha, before you are posting, maybe you can think before your post, because once you post it, once you create something, you know what the effect that's a student, especially that student right now, because that student right now we are going to might be affect her mental health and study, because there are so many students to use social media not right away. So hindi lahat ng technology or ng student alam gumamit ng social media. Ang iba dyan ay hindi pa nila alam kung ano yung pwedeng maging epekto sa kanila. And in this situation, so I see that situation, I hope you have to learn what you do next time. So, um, I have the question to you, Cha. If you are in my situation and you are posting, I will posting your picture. So what you are feeling, you hurt, right? You are making angry, or you're making annoyed because I were posting your picture without permission. So that's just like to you what you will do to me. So if you don't like na gawin, kung ayaw mo kung ayaw mong gawin ko yon, wag mong gagawin sa iba kasi it's not a good at chat, because it's all student. Do you know that student, everybody will affect our study and mental health. So hopefully you have to learn what you will learn in our school. So para saan pa tinuturuan tayo ng mga kapwa ng mga teachers natin, kundi rin naman natin ma-apply. And isa tayo sa mga ng henerasyon ngayon na maging example. Pero paano tayo maging isang example kung tayo mismo ay gumagawa ng mga mali na hindi naman dapat? So, what you are learning this, Jack?
Mm. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry about that. Again, ayun. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Cha. I
My
know.
apology. Yes.
I accept your apology, and next time you can make what you said na isipin din natin kung ikaw yung sitwasyon ko. What do you think you So it's okay. I will accept your apology, and actually the more mistake, the more you learn. Remember that always teacher said, the teacher always remind us, the more mistake, the more you learn. But if you are the more a lot of mistake at hindi ka natututo, you have a problem. So, you make sure na maayos yung ating meron tayo. And now, I would like to emphasize this reflection about two fellow students and this scenario. So, the two student po, this me as a character, my character, victim of the bullying of fellow student. So, this my reflection, hindi po maganda yung what we call na ipopost natin yung isang tao nang hindi niya alam. Meron po tayong Privacy Act na pwede nating harapin. So, even nga 'di ba sa labas na bawal ka mag-take ng picture without permission. So, my reflection just like this na before you post, before you take a picture, you should be you have permission about this. And then nagre-reflect to sa akin kasi I was experienced before, and honestly in this my senior high school, and I don't to elaborate about this my experience, but I have so much to learn about this. And then what you are experience being bullied, at least may papakita mo na kahit maraming taong na ganyan, handa ka pa rin lumaban. So, hindi ka nagpapa-apekto sa mga nangyayari. Kasi, look at siya around now. May mga estudyante na bubuli, pero ang nangyayari, saan napupunta? Their cause anxiety. Their cause nagpapakamatay. So, that mabuti dapat na bilang estudyante, wag natin gawin yun. Kasi, mas marami pang nagiging biktima ng bullying sa school. Kaya nga pinapatupad na ngayon ang bullying para sa mga kapwa estudyante dahil kumakalat ngayon sa Pilipinas ang bullying. Kaya nga gusto ko minsan ibalik na lang yung GMRC eh. Ibalik na lang din yung values eh kasi walang tutunan ng mga bata kung walang nagdidisiplina sa kanila sa school. So, nasa DepEd pa rin naman ang finale, ang ano yung dapat nilang gawin. Pero for me as a batang nadisiplina, nakaranas ng disiplina sa school, mas gugustuhin ko na yun kasi natututo ang bata. So, how about you, Cha? What's your reflection about this?
Always choose kind and respect what seems like a small joke can cause real pain. That's it.
So, with that, this is our represent.
Yeah, think before we post.
So, anyway, this is our presentation. This is a group work. The title is Fellow Student Bullying. And hopefully, someone to watch this, hopefully you have to learn about this and this scenario. Thank you and have a great day.